Hi everyone, this is Ebenezer Heng. So in this particular short video, we're going to talk about how to create a website for your e-commerce for your restaurant. Now, there are a lot of software available to create a website. A lot of content management system. Most of you will be familiar with WordPress, Wix. Now in this case, I'm just going to use something that's very basic. Most of you have access to if you want to play around with it, which is Blogger. So it's part of the Google ecosystem. And right in front of you is a website. So this is a legacy platform. So it's called Site Build It. Now, if some of you are interested, you can actually reach out to me. Now, first, I'm just going to talk about what are some of the critical things that you should have on all your web pages. And then I'm just going to show you like some of the basic things to put in your content, image, and perhaps some videos as well. Now, let's first look at a typical website. Now imagine this could be a home page, this could be a second tier, or this could be a third tier. Now in another video, we actually spoke about this page, right? How to reset Seiko coffee machine and how it can help us to sell coffee machine. So in this case, we talk about, in this case, it's about the content, how to reset Seiko coffee machine. And in your case, it could be your particular menu item, it could be your product that you want to sell. So you will go on, you will describe, you will give your product info, and at the end of it, you will have a button to ask them to buy. In this case, my monetization is for them to opt in and contact us. So we do have a contact us. Now this is a typical page. It could be for SKU product, or it could be online menu, right? It's recommended in all pages that you want to talk a little bit about you, your achievements. So we talk about us, and as you go down, then you will always end off with a contact us. Now, folks, this is important. So in the event that this is not something that they want, if they want to contact you, there must be something they're able to contact you, whether is it an email. And it's great if you collect the email. In this case, moving forward, you can do some email marketing, and of course, you can actually build out your CRM, your customer relationship database, right? And of course, if you're a restaurant, so you want to have your address, phone number, your name, address, and phone number, the NAP, right, is very important. And this helps in your Google local search as well. So when people are in certain area like Tampines, Serangoon, or Shenton Way, when they search, your restaurant will pop up because all these details are there. Now these are the basic info that you want to have on a website. So let's look at how to build an e-commerce website, or in this case, a simple website for a restaurant. So as I'm using Blogger, so you can actually log in using your Google account, and you just search for Blogger, click in, and you will enter here. And for most of you, you won't have any posts yet, so you click on the new post. So here you will have title, and you will have, this is what you see, what you get platform. So there's no code, nothing involved. So whatever you type later when you preview and publish, that's what you get. So of course we have prepared some content. So we're going to call ourselves a retro cafe. So I will say introduction to retro cafe. Okay, and I'll just put some word on it. Okay. Now the easy thing about Blogger is, okay, in this case I want to put an image. Right, I just choose file. So of course I've created some example. I've created some images. So I just upload it. I select it. So I decide the size. Right, let's say I'm happy with it. Okay. And then carry on putting some more text. I might feel like I want to put in another photos, the interior of the place. Yeah, this side maybe I want to be extra large. In this case, I want to show off my interior. And then I want to do a preview. Now, this is a very simple way of like generating a website. Now you can actually try it out. Because get yourself familiarized with the platform, so you could be using different content management system, right? Some of you will be from going to Wix, some of you might be going to Shopify, but largely it's the same. You load the image, you adjust your text, and of course in the case of e-commerce, you put in the price, the fulfillment, like the logistic, and so on. And then of course you'll realize that in this case there is a publish button. And then you can just publish it.